welcome to today's lesson. Today we'll be learning about ending sounds. My name is Miss Oyin and it's good to have you here. So let's look at a word. We have the word bag. Bag. I have some sounds already. We have b, a, but something's missing. Bag. What do you think is the ending sound? Could it be t, a, g? Bag. If you said g, you're correct. Bag. B, a, g. Bag. Well done. Let's try a different word like fox. We have fox. We already have the sound f, or what's missing at the end? Fox. Listen again. Fox. Did you say x? Fantastic. That's the correct answer. Fox. X is missing at the end of that word. Let's look at another word like zip. Zip. Okay, we have z, e, and something's missing at the end. But now you need to listen to the word again. Zip. So what do you think is the missing sound? Did you say p? If you said p, that's the correct answer. Z, e, p. Zip. Zip. Let's try a different word like, let's see, cat. The word cat. We have k, a. What's missing? Cat. Cat. What should I have here? T. Fantastic. Cat. Well done. So let's try to spell a different word. We have a word like bug. Bug. B, a. Something's missing. G. Fantastic. Bug. Bug. Okay, so let's spell the word kick. That one's tricky. It's really tricky because we have two brothers at the end of that word. Do you remember the sounds that are brothers? We have k, the kicking k, e, and k. What brothers do you think are going to come? The curly k and the kicking k. Kick. Well done. Fantastic. So now let's spell the word map. Map. We have a. What's missing? Map. Fantastic. Map. A. P. Fantastic. Well done. So let's spell the word dam. We have d, a, and what's missing at the end? Let's see. Dam. What do you think is going to come at the end of that word? Dam. Fantastic. Well done. So you see that it's very easy to tell the sounds that come at the end of a word by listening very carefully. Remember, we learned about when to listen and when to be noisy, and now it's a good time to listen. So I'll say a word and you tell me what you think is going to be at the end of that word. We have the word ant. What sound is at the end? T. Fantastic. I'll say another word. Hand. What sound is at the end? D. Well done. How about another word like wet? Wet. What sound is at the end of the word? T. Well done. I have a new word. Buzz. Buzz. What sound is at the end of that word? Z. Correct. Fantastic. We've done great today. I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.